So this is example 3 of section 3.3, continuing with law of cosines. The question, the angle of a cone is 35.4 degrees. Determine the diameter of the cone. So even though this is talking about a three-dimensional object of a cone, the application here is still a triangle. We are looking for an unknown side, given two sides, and that angle between those two sides. We are going to start by our unknown side that we are determining. Squared is equal to one side given squared plus the other side that is given. Subtract 2 times one side times the other side times the cosine of the contained angle. The contained angle between those sides case is 35.4 degrees. So we're just going to work away, and from here it's really a calculator question. 22 squared, 484, plus 484. What I would suggest here is that all of this part of our law of cosines, I would suggest to plug all of that into your calculator at once. When you do that, you should get 789.0. Okay, and again, all of that added together, just using our calculator, is 179. Don't forget that in this law of cosines formula, that it's not just the side equals, this is the side squared equals. We are looking for d. We need to finish this equation. We need to take the square root of both sides. d is the square root of 179, and that gives us 13.4 centimeters. And we are done.